Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to transfer videos from Android to PC. So first, you need to download the Google Drive on your Google Play Store. So open up your Google Play Store and search for Google Drive. Now right here, you need to install or download this application. So tap this one, then tap on download. So once you've done, tap on open button. So when you open your Google Drive, you need to make sure that you sign in your account. So when you tap on the profile icon there at the top right, you can add actually another account right here. Now to add a file, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, you need to tap on first, I want to tap on folder and I want to name this as a transfer this file name. So open this folder here and then try to add a video. So tap again the plus icon at the bottom right, then tap on upload and then locate your gallery and find the video that you want to transfer to your PC. So just tap on the circle icon at the top right and then go back and then tap on the check icon at the top right corner. Now once you've done uploading this file, go now to your computer and then right here you need to search for the Google Drive. Then tap on this personal cloud storage and file sharing platform. Now, once you've done that, now tap on this go to drive button. Now here you need to sign in your account same as the account that you've been used on your Android phone. So as you can see, we just found the video that we uploaded. So you can actually download this video here and transfer to your PC. So that's how you basically transfer videos from Android to PC. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.